Hello everyone, this is my April 2018 update. Got a couple of things, just thought I'd share with you. Got some parts out in the in my storage building. Let's go back there and look at them. Here we are in my storage building. Here's the first thing. I've made a couple of tools to help me on the rear end rebuild going in my Charger. Dropping in that rebuilt sure grip. I made this bracket right here bolted to my engine stand. That way I can work on the rear end I take out of the Charger with ease, not having to worry about it sitting in weird positions or anything. And instead of buying a wrench, I actually made one. It's just a flat piece of steel, and it goes in like that, and I can adjust these easily. This was free because I already had the angle iron and I already had the bolts. So all I had to do was just drill the holes and put some bolts through. And there's that. I was finally able to get me a vise. I've been needing one for a long time, but I have it set where I can swivel the head of the vise over here to the side or be out here on front. So there's that. There's my sure grip with the bearings removed. I was also able to get me a drill press vise because I've been needing one of those also. It's my drill press, picked it up at a pawn shop. Got all kinds of junk on this bench. I really need to clean it off. But here's the transmission I took out of the truck. I don't want to take it apart yet, so it's just kind of sitting here. But here's all the parts to drop in this clutch sure grip into my Charger. I'm also going to be using a crush sleeve eliminator. If y'all hadn't seen these, let me get this bag open. There we go. It's just a machined piece of steel. Not sure if it's billet or not, but it's just a machined piece of steel that goes in place of the crush sleeve. So I don't have a crush sleeve anymore, or I won't once that's in. Also, this kit also comes with shims, and I was able to get all of these bearings on Rock Auto. And I'm going to be, the rear end in my Charger is a 489 case, and I'm using a 742, I believe it was the original case that these were actually in. Clutch type sure grip. So I will put the part numbers, all the part numbers I got in the description. But I got the 2 pinion bearings, the carrier bearings, and races to match everything. But there's everything in there. There's my parts. And I finally have a drill press, not drill press, a 20-ton press. I picked this up on sale at Harbor Freight for 160 bucks, basically 160 tax and all. And I've been wanting one of these for a long time, and I'm so glad I finally have one. I still need to verify the oil level, because it says to check the oil level before the first use. But I have engaged it and it does work. See it going up right there. There it is. And I got something pretty cool for the truck. Let's go look at it. Well, here we are at my truck. Let's go look at it. I got something pretty cool for the bed of my truck, something I've been wanting in here for a little bit. Picked me up an ammo box at a pawn shop, and I'm going to bolt this to the bed in here, right there, within the perimeter of the angle iron that somebody welded in the back of here. So it's going to be bolted to the bed right here. I actually have room for another one, so I'm going to put another one next to it somewhere. But it's weather tight because it has a seal all the way around, so it's not going to fill up with water. I'm going to bolt it to the bed, And I've already bought, I got them coming and found them on Amazon for like $8 each. A locking kit that goes right here. Basically drill a hole in the center and install a little stud that a padlock can go through. So it'll actually be a locking ammo box bolted to my bed, which I think would look pretty awesome in here. Back there in the corner, I got some random chain that I can put in it and just other stuff. But yeah, there it is. There's my April 2018 update. There's my truck and charger. It's a beautiful Sunday. Actually got a car show today I'm going to. So y'all enjoy your spring.